Hey, good morning, folks. Fred here, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors, Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, YQT for Saturday, September 7th. -1°C here this morning. As you guys can see, we've got lots of frost on the ground.
Could you try again?
You guys can see the frost over here. Sun's coming up. And she's a heavy, heavy frost this morning. Alright, so here we are. Frosty morning, sun coming up in Thunder Bay. Heavy frost on the windshield. Sun's warming things up though already. You can see it. Water is dripping. Let's just take a quick stroll here to the pond. Show you guys. Birds are out. Geese are in the sun over here. So this morning when I looked out, this field is like, I mean, you can see the white. Okay, so she's full of frost. Okay, you guys can see here where I'm dragging my feet. So she's a frosty, frosty morning. Seagull eating something over there. So you can see already here where the sun's shining, it's already melting. So there's a lot of heat in the sun. Geese out here this morning, and they're waiting for something to eat as well. Wedding took place here last night. All the chairs are out. I don't think they meant to leave them out unless there's another wedding today and they're leaving them out, but we're gonna have to wipe them all off. You can see where the geese have been walking this morning as well. Yeah. Sunrise there to the east. Oh, cheers to the wedding last night. Yeah, like I say, usually they bring these in, but I'm guessing that maybe there's another wedding today going to take place. Trisha and Connor. Yeah, a bit of cleanup left to do out here. You guys can see the frost here. This is slippery. The steam off the pond. Heavy frost. All right, folks. Take care. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. And remember, watch out for the other person. The other person may not be watching out for you. In Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, YQT. This is Fred, VE3FAL 73, folks.